boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at 9.5, and this is going to be using the break apart strategy. This is multiplication, and we've talked about this before where we decompose the factors. So first up, as always, we start with our mental math. So you're going to look at 38 and see what two numbers can you break apart. So like 74, you can make it into 70 plus 4. So how could you break up these other numbers? Then for your math message, here is a picture of Jonah's garden, and it says that it is a rectangle with 16 rows for plants, and he wants to plant two sections, one with 10 rows of carrots and the other with 6 rows. So you need to partition this rectangle to show 10 rows and then 6 rows, and then see how many carrots and beans he could have in this whole garden. Okay, and so today we're going to be multiplying these two larger numbers using this break apart strategy. We talked about it before, but today we're looking at it with larger numbers. Okay, so we've done this here when we talked about decomposing with like 7 times 6, these easier numbers that now hopefully we are making mental math, and so we don't have to do this part. But today we're going to take numbers like 3 times 28, okay, and you're going to break up 28 into 20 and 8. Okay, or like 25 and 3. Okay, but I'm assuming we don't know 3 times 25. So I would pick more of 20. You might know 25s from quarters, but some of them might be a little bit trickier. So we're going to probably think of using just like the number here with a 0 plus the other number. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and model how I would do this. So this says for me to multiply, Meg bought 7 boxes of crackers. Each box had 62 crackers. How many crackers did she buy? So I'm trying to solve 7 times 62. Whoa, guys, did you think we would be doing this already? Okay, so I'm trying to figure that out. So I'm going to make my box and put 7 on this side, and then I'm going to break up 62 into 60 plus 2. 60 plus 2 is 62. So now I'm going to multiply 7 times 6. All right, so 7 times 6, that's 42. And then it's 60, so I need to add a 0. And then I'm going to do 7 times 2, which I know that's 14. So now I've multiplied both numbers, and now I need to add up these two numbers. So I'm going to add up 420 plus 14, and I need to make sure I line it up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus nothing is still 4. So my answer is 434 crackers. I'm going to go ahead and circle that in this other color to show. So I drew my rectangle and labeled it. I broke up the number into 2 different helper facts, and then I multiplied each one of those facts, and then I added up those products. So I did all the steps of my criteria. Okay, and I now am able to multiply these 2-digit number. That's crazy. All right, so now you guys are going to get to practice that here. This is in your student math journal that you can draw out, and you can still use the same things. But of course, as always, I have them here. So when it says I can break this into this, it means 24. So it's saying I can break up 24 into like 20 plus 4. Right? That's what it means right here for that breaking things up, if you're confused. So you have a couple different problems to do here from your book. Here's an extra problem I added in here, and then another problem. And I want you to explain how you solved this one. Okay, there's a reflection to kind of tell me how you could use this in the future, and some games that you can practice with as well. This one looks pretty fun. This is multiplication wrestling. So this one is something that I think you guys would enjoy. And then there's a can do and extension at the end where you can try to do 2-digit by 2-digit. Ooh, I know some of you would enjoy doing this. And then you can even try 33 times 15 where you have to do the whole thing on your own. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.